Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the codecamp.org. In this brand new video, I'm going to show you how to download Java on Windows PC. So for this, you need to navigate to your browser. So you need to search and download Java 11. Here you go. I already searched once before. So download Java 11. We will be using Java 11 for this specific course. Yeah, click on the first link. It will take you to the Oracle official website. So Oracle on the Java. So this is the safest place to download Java. I'm looking for my Windows specific version, so I'm using Windows 64 bits. Uh, I will be downloading the Windows x64 installer. Click on the link here. Yeah, we accept term and conditions for the Oracle website. Yeah, download. For this, you need a Oracle account. If you have one, you can use your existing account, or if you don't have one, you can create an account here for free. So I already have one account. I will be using my existing account, so I'm not going to show you my credentials, but you can use your own. Yeah, the download is started. You can see to lower left of your browser window. If you're using Chrome, so it will be showing here, or if you're using Windows Internet Explorer, so it may be appear here at top right. Yep, the download is done. You can click here, but you can go to your file explorer. So the next step, open the setup. Yes. I'm selecting everything default. I don't want to make anything complicated. So next. Yep, we're done with installing Java. Let's confirm the Java installation by terminal. So if you're using Windows 11, they call it terminal. If you're using a older version of Windows, you're probably seeing the CMD. CMD still exists in uh, Windows 11, but you can have access to the terminal too. So just open start menu and type terminal, and all you need just type Java space dash dash version. So if you're not seeing this, you probably need to export your environmental variables in Windows environment. For Java 11, you're not supposed to do it if it's not showing this version. So you need to export the environmental variables. Yeah. So the next step is to install an IDE. An IDE is just a set of tools that allow you to write your Java programs and run it on Windows platform or maybe Mac or Linux. So for this you have different options, but there are two most popular ones. One is Eclipse and another one is Intellij. Intellij is from JetBrains and Eclipse is an open source IDE. Intellij has different two variation. One is paid and one is unpaid. For this course, we can use the unpaid free version, so it will be enough. I will be using Intellij for this course. So let's download Intellij. Go to browser, open a new tab. Just simply type download Intellij. Click on the first link. So the community version or the community edition is completely free. You don't have to buy any license for this version. So the ultimate version is the most advanced. When you start coding with Java Enterprise Edition, you will need the ultimate version. But for this course, for the Java Core API, the community version works perfectly fine. So just click on the download. Yeah, here you go. The download is started. I already downloaded. It will take a while depending on your internet speed. So I already downloaded. I don't have to download again. Cancel. Go to downloads. Yeah. Here is the setup. Just click on the setup. Yes. So for this, we are selecting everything default. I told you I don't want to make anything complicated in this course. So just stick to default options. Next. Next, install. It will take a while depending on your PC speed, and just keep waiting. Yes, we have done installing Intellij, and we are up and running for creating Java programs on a Windows PC. In next video, I'm going to show you our first legacy Hello World program in Java. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.